Cryptocurrency scams are a growing problem in China, with the total amount of money lost estimated to be in the millions. This latest case highlights the dangers of trading in crypto platforms without doing proper research and due diligence. Hey everyone, welcome back to Coin Engine. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 40 suspected crypto scammers who have scammed people to trade in bogus crypto platforms. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, it is very important to be aware of each and every trading platform and how they work. Stay tuned with us till the very end to learn more about these scammers. Let's begin. How did the crypto scammers scam their victims? Crypto scammers have been a growing issue in China for some time. With up to 40 alleged crypto scammers now facing prosecution, it's clear that the country is taking a hard stance against fraudsters. The 10 suspects already standing trial are facing serious consequences for their actions. The court heard that the alleged scammers set up a fake crypto trading platform, Fxcoin, which promised high returns on investments. The notorious scam group was active from 2020 to 2021. During the respective period, they then used high leverage rates and high returns as bait to lure in potential victims. The court also heard that victims were strung along by the gang, who paid out small rebates to trick victims into increasing the size of their stakes. Crypto scams can be very difficult to spot, as they often involve complex schemes and technical jargon. For example, the scammers in this case used high leverage rates and high returns as bait. This could easily draw in potential victims who are not familiar with the risks of investing in crypto. In addition to this, the gang also employed tactics to keep victims invested in their scheme. For example, they paid out small rebates to convince victims to invest more. This is a classic example of a Ponzi scheme, where early investors are paid out with the money from new investors. The prosecution of these alleged scammers is a clear signal from China that it is taking fraudsters seriously. This is why it is very important for investors to always do their own research and be sure to understand the terms and conditions of any investment, including those involving crypto. Evidence provided by the Chinese prosecutors against these crypto scammers. The emergence of cryptocurrency has made it increasingly difficult for investigators to track the activities of criminals and fraudulent organizations. This is because cryptocurrency scams are on the rise and becoming increasingly sophisticated. One example of this is the case of the alleged Chinese cryptocurrency fraud ring that was recently cracked by the police in China. Prosecutors allege that the gang was divided into 3 subunits that eventually began operating independently of each other. Collectively, the subunits are said to have accrued a total of around $1.5 million from their victims. The group's victims were mainly China-based, but some overseas investors also appear to have fallen for the alleged scam. Prosecutors provided evidence to back up their claims, including group chats from the chat app platform WeChat. The group also appears to have made use of websites and bogus apps that were designed to look like bona fide crypto trading platforms. The group, for example, allegedly created fake sites designed to resemble the Latin American trading platform Buda and the Japanese crypto exchange Xife. This shows the rise of sophisticated cryptocurrency scams is a worrying trend that highlights the need for investors to be vigilant when it comes to investing in digital assets. In addition to being aware of the risks of investing in digital assets, investors should also make sure that they are dealing with legitimate exchanges, platforms, and apps. The case is complex, and the sheer number of suspects involved makes it difficult to handle. As a result, the authorities have decided to try the 3 subunits of the case separately. This means that the suspects and the evidence related to each subunit will be tried separately. Cryptocurrency has been gaining traction around the world, and in recent years, it has become increasingly popular in China. Although the Chinese government has taken a hard stance on the use of cryptocurrencies, this hasn't stopped some Chinese citizens from using them for conducting illegal activities. Last year, police in Tongliao, Inner Mongolia, arrested 63 people on suspicion of laundering $1.72 billion worth of crypto assets. As the world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve, it's important to be aware of the potential scams that lurk around the corner. Since the complexity of the case is at large with potential people involved and strong evidence, the Chinese prosecution is taking a hard stance against crypto scammers. We can only hope that other countries take similar actions and that the world of cryptocurrency becomes a safer place for everyone. If you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to never miss any updates from us. Thanks for watching.